Welcome to Remedyforce video tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use queue reporting in Remedyforce. Let's move to the demo part. Let's log into the Remedyforce org as an administrator. This is the new feature to track the total working time and wait time spent by each queue on incident and service request. So there are some prerequisites to enable this queue reporting. So first we need to enable the field history tracking for owner and status field. So navigate to setup, then search for object manager, incident object, fields and relationship, set history tracking. So we need to enable the history tracking for owner field and status field. The owner field is already enabled here. Now the status field, the status is also enabled. Click on save. Now we need to enable the work status for different status for which you want to enable the work status. So now navigate to Remedyforce administration tab and configure application and status. So suppose I want to enable the work status for assigned status. So this work status is already enabled. So click on save. Okay, it is saved now. Similarly, you can do for open status, for in progress status, and other open status for which each you want to calculate the work status. Third thing, we need to enable the queue tracking. So for that, we need to again navigate to Remedyforce administration, create dashboard and reporting, and here is a queue time tracking. So this is a new feature in summer 20 release. Enable this new feature. You can see report is enabled. Now if you want to generate a report for older records and want to calculate what is the total work time is spent on each queue. So from current date you can generate a maximum of 1 year report you can generate from here. Click on generate field and you will receive a message that the data will be received or report name will be received in an email. So let's wait for, you can see I have received an email, Remedyforce queue time taking data generation result. So here we have given the link of all the reports which are generated and it's related to the queue time tracking. So let's move to the reporting section, incident queue assignment order. So this is a report that is generated. So you can see these are the incidents for which this queue change has been occurred and the create date, assigned date, unassigned date. Like this we will have a track for all the queue change and the time is spent on each queue. And another report for incidents we are having is incident queue time tracking. So this report will show how much time an incident stay in a particular queue. From this you can see this incident has been assigned first to BMC client management, then it's changed to service support and then to HR system. So these are the total work time and these are the wait time, and through this report we'll come to know that in which queue the ticket assigned was maximum or minimum. There are other reports for service request like service request queue time tracking and service request assignment order. This concludes how to use queue reporting in Remedyforce. I hope this video was informative and thanks for watching this video.